Today we are going to find out the unit of force by using base quantities. F is a vector quantity and it is equal to ma. M is mass and a is acceleration. Mass is a scalar quantity and acceleration is a vector quantity. As we know, the unit of acceleration is meter per second squared and it is derived from the formula velocity divided by time. Velocity is having the unit meter per second and time is having the unit second. So why we get here second square? Because the bases are same, so powers are going to add up here. That's why. This unit kg meter per second square is also equal to Newton, and usually for force we use the unit Newton. So from this we are clear that mass is the base quantity and acceleration itself is not the base quantity, it is a vector quantity and it's having the unit meter per second square. From there we got that mass and length and time these are the base quantities that are used to derive the unit. Newton is equal to kg meter per second square, but we use Newton because Newton is the SI unit of force.